Okay. That's behind us. Right, you got me, right? That's good?
Yeah.
Lighting is good. Today in the mail, picked up the, come a little closer. I got an order from China. I picked up a mini Android media toolbox. Today I got a delivery from China, picked up the Android mini media box. We'll do an opening, come on over. First let me get out my Secret Agent belt buckle package opener. Hey, come over here. Let's cut the sucker open like a fish. You got me right over here, right? See what we got inside. The knife needs sharpening. Oh man. Let's get that open without cutting myself. Alright, let's see. So far it just says smart TV box. I know it was a mini, I forgot the model number. Man, it's all dope. This is the newest 2 GB RAM, 16 GB memory media boxes. Yeah, the X Mini 93. Alright, the X Mini 93. Squeeze the box a little bit, or maybe that happened in transit. Okay, what's it say on the back? It's Android 7.12, Amlogic S905W, 4K. CPU is 5 something core. 10-bit, made in China. Where else? Alright, let's see what we got in here. Wow, look how mini that mini is. That is really small compared to what I'm used to. And there she is. She's got an Ethernet input, 5-volt input. Where's the USB? Okay, USB input to program it. TF, I don't know what that means. Anyway, that is the mini. Of course, it comes with your accessories, USB cable, I don't know, I guess that's a remote cable or something. Hey, where's the remote? There it is. And a little mini remote. Everything's getting smaller these days. Okay, folks. My next review will be on how it works and how well it works after I plug it in and check it out on the TV. Okay, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.